Alright, this is video number 10. This is probably our last video, and this is more of an advanced skill to test yourself, to extend yourself, and we're going to try and make this lid slide in place. To do that though, we need to stop the box from moving. So over here on the left hand side, underneath assembly, you should be able to see your box. Mine says mini box, the other one says lid, but we want to right click on mini box, go down until you see the word fix. It'll lock that in place. Now also over here on the left hand slide, there's the slider that we added just before. So let's double click that, and we're going to tick the limit switch, limit button, put a tick in there, and just to ensure that we are going to move in the right directions, click the little play button. There's our lid. It's sliding backwards, which is a little bit annoying, but it won't stop me doing this. So we've got a minimum and a maximum. The minimum, I think, needs to be -90, and the maximum is 0. Hopefully this will work. Let's click the play button and let's see. Yep, that's going to go in the correct direction. I think that's going to do what we want. So let's tick. What you should be able to do is, with nothing selected, hover over your lid, hold down the left click and slide your lid. It should stop without falling out, and stop when it reaches the end. Congratulations, you've just modelled a moving part in Onshape. Quite an advanced skill. So well done to you if you're able to do that. Now, yeah, now we're done.